I was curious how everybody's April Fools went and if a lot of people from other countries celebrate. I know I hear from a few people that they do, and I'm not sure of all the origins of how the day came to be. I know it's hugely popular in the States, and you know, the entertainment industry really gets into it. People try to spoof everybody and you know, get strange rumors out about TV shows, about actresses. I'm sure if you've had a chance, maybe you've seen or heard about the silly sex video that Charlize Theron put up. You know, she's hysterical. So I think those kinds of things are always fun and entertaining. In Japan, everybody knows about it, but nobody really does much. Maybe they kind of say a silly little joke, and that's about the end of it. So I'd be curious if you have any favorite, you know, oh, that was such a funny trick that I played when I was a kid kind of stories. I know one of my favorite tricks was to take some Oreo cookies and take out the cream filling that's inside and then put toothpaste instead. So kind of a mean gag, but still kind of fun to do. I remember one time we had a sink with a water faucet that was kind of one of those that you can pull out with the longer hose below it, and it kind of had a trigger shot for when you're cleaning dishes, and my brother and I, you know, taped the trigger back so that whoever turned the water on got a full stomach of water. And my dad did that, and he didn't think it was nearly as funny as we did. So any good stories you guys might have about your April Fools, please feel free to leave comments in the comment section below.